Welcome to 519 Leah Court in Gibsonia, Pennsylvania. It's in a beautiful neighborhood called Steeple Chase, and it's in a small enclave of duplex carriage homes called the Woodlands at Steeple Chase. And they're beautiful, they're large, and what I have here today, which I'm going to show you in a little bit, is probably the largest, nicest carriage home in the plan. It's on the best lot, backs to only woods on two sides, and it's extraordinary, and I'd love to show it to you today. One of my very favorite features of this carriage home is the woods. You are downsizing, but you have all this privacy, completely wood-lined backyard, and you don't have to take care of it. It's maintenance-free living. What more could you ask for in a downsize situation? And give me a call and come out and join me for a tour of this wonderful home. Thank you.